This portion is brought to you by Krispy Kreme, Tecpone, Print Life, Matina Town Square, and Asus Zenfone Philippines. We are DPP, and through our phone cameras, let us discover the wonders of Davao and beyond. San Pedro Cathedral, the oldest church in Davao City, and a historical landmark. The living witness of what Davao has become. Before it became a parish, it was then called Yglesia Mision de Bergara, dela Nueva Guipuzcoa. It was named by José Cruz D Uyanguren, after his hometown and province in Spain, when he colonized Davao on June 29, 1848. To cater to the growing number of Catholic faithful in the city, from being built in nipa and bamboo, it was reconstructed several times as years passed by. It was rebuilt in wood in the mid-90s, and architect Ramon Basa designed the church. The cathedral seemingly took a Gothic architecture, with two bell towers standing symmetrical to each other, and the main entrance is in between them. Adjacent to the church was then Immaculate Conception College building, now University of Immaculate Conception. This is the oldest private school established in 1906. It was then called St. Peter Parochial School. The school was transferred to Father Selga Street in Bangkarahan as its new site, while St. Peter Auditorium in San Pedro Street was converted as the parish office. By 1964, San Pedro Church went another reconstruction. From wood, it was finally remodeled in concrete by architect Manuel Chu. The rebuilding of the church also signified a symbolic design reflecting the different people living in Davao. The roofline of the church was designed to look like the prow of a vinta, a Mindanao boat, gliding on water, carrying a cross at its helm. The vinta representing Muslim Mindanao, and the cross representing Christianity, united in spite of their differences. The present church today is 55 years old since it was reconstructed in 1964. One of the many notable sites at San Pedro Cathedral is the bell tower. In the right wing of the present church, the old altar that was originally designed by architect Basa was preserved. Those who grew up going to San Pedro Church in the old days find the altar as a great reminder of what Davao City and the Catholic faith have evolved in many years. A true living witness of many tears and joyful celebration. San Pedro Cathedral, the oldest church in Davao City, and a historical landmark. We are DPP, and through our phone cameras, let us discover the wonders of Davao and beyond.